Well, India is inching towards having an indigenous space station by 2035, with ISRO's mission Gaganyaan gearing up to send Indian astronauts to low Earth orbit on board an Indian launch vehicle. Demonstrating India's space prowess, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called it India's stellar decade in space. DD India's Sakal Bhatt gets us more in the report that follows.
ये सिर्फ 4 नाम और 4 इंसान नहीं है, ये 140 करोड़ एस्पिरेशंस को स्पेस में ले जाने वाली 4 शक्तियां हैं। 40 वर्ष के बाद कोई भारतीय अंतरिक्ष में जाने वाला है।
As nation celebrates its 78th Independence Day, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's clarion call in February 2024, setting the tone for India's very own space mission with a spectacular launch of Gaganyaan, another significant step cementing India's space prowess globally. ISRO's ambitious mission Gaganyaan will send Indian astronauts on board an Indian launch vehicle, a defining moment in India's space journey. This mission is India's first human space flight program, for which extensive preparations are underway at various ISRO centers across the country. 2 unmanned and 1 manned mission are approved by Government of India under this program. In a big first, 3-member crew will cover over 400-kilometer orbit in 3 days, followed by a safe return to Earth by landing in Indian sea waters. Superior and new technologies comprising engineering and human-centric systems are integrated for Gaganyaan, with human safety accorded paramount importance. Meet India's astronauts designate for Gaganyaan, who will carry in their hearts the aspirations of nation of billions to space. Group Captain Prashant Balakrishnan Nair, Group Captain Ajit Krishan, Group Captain Angad Pratap and Wing Commander Subhanshu Shukla are India's astronauts designate for Gaganyaan, India's first crewed space mission. Crew training for space mission is underway. The astronauts have completed 2 out of 3 semesters of training, which includes training on the space flight basic module in Russia. And before the manned mission, ISRO plans to conduct 2 more uncrewed missions in 2025. Another fascinating aspect of Gaganyaan is Vyomitra, female-looking spacefaring humanoid robot astronaut set to fly into space. Vyomitra is part of uncrewed experimental Gaganyaan mission prior to crewed spaceflight mission. India at 78 sees this giant leap for a nation of billions poised to become space superpower, with India marking its territory in space, having India's own space station by 2035.
लेकिन इस बार टाइम भी हमारा है, काउंटडाउन भी हमारा है और रॉकेट भी हमारा है।
Sakal Bhatt's report for DD India.